Should I say just like, all right, let's begin? Or
I would say just say, so let's get right on to it.
Give it up, gonna be all that's gonna be. Give it up, gonna be alright.
Hello, welcome to the Student Investment Club. My name is Kyle Fair. I'm the president of the university. I'm the president of this club.
I'm Alan Yao, and I'm the executive vice president of the club.
And each week we will be coming and speaking about 3 to 4 different financial subjects that we will bring to you and just try to cover quickly. And so let's begin. The first topic we will be discussing is Janet Yellen and her speech this past Monday. So she actually remains bullish on the economy, and she expects inflation to stay around 2%. And we'll show you a quick clip.
The Federal Open Market Committee decided to maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 1 to 1.25%. This accommodative policy should support some further strengthening in the job market and a return to 2% inflation, consistent with our statutory objectives. We also decided that in October, we will begin the balance sheet normalization program that we outlined in June. This program will reduce our securities holdings in a gradual and predictable manner. As we expected, and smoothing through some variation from quarter to quarter, economic activity has been rising moderately so far this year. Household spending has been supported by ongoing strength in the job market. Business investment has picked up, and exports have shown greater strength this year.
All right, and then the second topic of this week is tax reform. For the past 2 weeks, Trump has pushed for tax reform on lowering the corporation tax from the 35% to 25%, and this could negative or positively affect our economy. And this is important because everyone will be affected, and they're trying to simplify the tax reform into 3 groups, although a 4th group might be created for the upper earners. And this could substantially lower your taxes and could produce a bull economy where everyone will have more jobs in the short run, but in the long run, everything is undecided.
Our third topic will be on the September jobs report. It was just released this past week. So reports were actually estimated to be around 80,000, but they came in bearish around 33. They actually lost about 33,000. So this is mainly due to Hurricane Harvey and natural disasters that have occurred in the South. But they predict that this will increase, jobs will increase over the next few quarters. So this was just a mishap, and this will be fixed in the future.
And a short recap on some important news for the companies. Netflix, as of today, Friday, has decided to raise their prices for their regular program by $1 and 4K streaming program by $2. Mostly it won't really affect your customers if you're paying $12 or $24 a year more, but just a heads up, this is the reason is because Netflix right now does not turn up a profit, so I'm pretty sure that they're aiming to turn up a profit in the future. On a second news site, Navient, the biggest student loan provider in the U.S., is still in the lawsuit with the Federal Bureau, the Credit Federal Bureau, and this might affect you because it might increase the chance of forgiveness for the loans. So you might want to check out the Navient lawsuit, and I think there is sign-ups for Navient for the lawsuit to sign up, and if you do win, you might get, I don't know, $1,000 or $100 if the lawsuit goes through. So this is important just because it affects almost all students, and you do want to understand your loans better in the future when it affects your life more.
So one of the resources we have on campus for business students, engineering students, is the Bloomberg Terminal. So we're going to go over real quick and show you a little bit more about that. Hey guys, welcome to the terminal. So this is a quick little glimpse of what this looks like. So right now we're looking at a company. We pulled up Netflix since we just talked about that in our video. So you can get data from the company, you can look at their profile, you can look at ratios, various things, you can look at their revenue. So if you'd like to learn more about this, leave a comment or email us and we can actually show you, or we can come in meet up with you and actually show you how to use this information.
And I think that would be all the news for this week, and I hope you guys have a great day.
Give it up, gonna be all